Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button because today we are going to do a look with a palette that I'm like, I'm not sure about, but my hair is crazy. I can't see anything because I don't have any contacts in, and I don't really want to put anything on my face because it looks really, it looks okay, and I just don't want to overdo it. But then I'm like, well, it doesn't really look okay. What is wrong with me? I don't know. Freaking crazy. Okay. So we will try some foundation and, we'll do some stuff with our face because we should. Hi, Butts. What are you doing? Hi. Are you going to be on TV? Oh, is it going to be on TV? Do you want your own YouTube channel? Do you want your own YouTube channel? Huh? You going to tell me about it? You going to tell me that channel? Huh? Oh, I know. See, he likes to tell you about all this stuff. He's just a cute boy. He's a cutie. He's mine. He's all mine. What are you doing there, Susan? Hey. Nothing is working today. Sorry, guys. Nothing is working. I'm going to put the camera this way in case Butsy's around and you guys want to take a peek at him. So, yeah, let's just put something on our face. I should put some primer on, but I can't find any near me. That doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Okay, here we go. We got some of the hydrating Porefessional Primer. And we are trying to use it up. Yeah, it's okay. To be honest, I'm really not into primers. Not anymore. It's not my thing. I'm trying to force myself. Focusing on my nose. Just my T-zone, really. I just don't like it. And then I have this Pretty Fresh from ColourPop. It's going to be light. I know it. Because I just know it. I know it. Okay. So let's just take our sponge here and just pat it in. Trying to make it cover our face. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Interesting. Yeah. So I have already done a video with one of my naked palettes. I think we're going to do another one. They're just not my thing, except for the honey. The honey is fabulous. What is wrong with this stuff? Oh, it just looks so horrible. Sorry, guys. Everything on... I don't know what's going on. I look horrible. Hairs everywhere. Okay, let's put a little bit of concealer on. Whoa, I'm just having a heck of a time. So we're going to use my Naked Skin Finish Concealer. This is very light. I can't see anything in that mirror. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Having a weird makeup day. It's probably because I shouldn't be playing in it because I'm supposed to be homesick. And I really don't feel up to anything. It's weird. I feel really bad, but I can't sit still. I can't lay down. I can't rest. My husband's ready to kill me. You know the deal. Okay. So, yeah. I'm actually not going to put some powder on because I'm not going to keep this on, obviously. But normally I would set it down with powder and all of that great stuff. We're not going to do that today. Okay. So, let's take ourselves and do a little bit of sculpting with our Shade and Light palette. I hung on to this because I'm like, it's the Shade and Light palette, right? I don't know. I just don't know. Sorry, I'm looking for my Kat Von D brush, which I cannot find. Nope, that's not it. Nothing is ever around when I need it. Okay, we're gonna go into this shade right here. Be honest, I don't know what it's called. And we're going to contour a little bit. You know, not very precise. I don't like that. You guys know I don't like that. I do like the color. I don't know what I'm going to do with myself. What you doing? Pickle. Pickle, pickle, pickle. That's what I call Betsy. Hi, Pickle. Go lay down. Go lay down on your couch. Like you always do. I'm going to go in with that powder above it. And I'm going to put that on certain parts of my face. It's like a banana powder, but it's not quite that light. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? See, I think I can get rid of it, and then I go to use it, and I'm like, you can't get rid of that. You love it. All right. I thought I was going to go into my, well, let's do it. I'm sorry. I'm being crazy. We're going to use our Naked Heat palette and just figure out if I'm still in love with this as much as I was in love with it before. Because I haven't used it in forever. I promise you that. So I'm going to go in with a blending brush. And I'm actually going to go into this shade right here. And no, I don't know what it's called because I can't see. But we're going to start putting it in our eyes. Damn, it's so pigmented. It's got so much pigment. Ugh, why do I keep having all of these owie eyes? Owie eyes. Oh. Damn me. Damn me. Damn me. Because it looks gorgeous. This is why I can't get rid of anything. Because I go back to it and I'm like, oh my God, you're freaking gorgeous. What do you think, girls? Dang it. Wow. Wow. So what I'm going to do is, I want to use this chocolate and kind of, it's a shimmer, and that's what it looks like. And I want to kind of use it like just in the middle of my eye. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back in with this brush and do this dark brown just like on the outer part of my eyes and see what that looks like. Like a good transition, you know. Makes your eye look like there's actually something going on. Oh wow, I'm in love. I can't get rid of nothing. Yeah, give me your thoughts, what you guys think, but I think it's gorgeous. Then we're gonna go into this very light shade here and we'll put that on the inside. On the inner corner. Put a little bit of highlighter on when we're done too. Like, oh wow. Damn, Susan. I really thought I was gonna be able to get rid of this palette because I just hadn't been using it. But of course it was sitting on the over there behind me, so I never saw it. Just looking at the time. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some mascara on and some highlighter on and just see what we think. I'm gonna use my Jouer highlighter. It's goldish, pinkish. It's like a champagne color. Do you know how many people I have watched like bust this thing? Like it just comes right out and I'm like, huh, that is not happening with us. Sorry, dudes. Paid too much money for all this stuff to have it break or just go crazy on me. Then we're going to go in with this Natasha, I'm sorry, this is Chantecaille Lippy. I am going to do a little bit with my eyeliner. And this is just like the big fat Sephora liners. I love them. Let's see if we can't get a little bit more color in our brows. Really don't want to use a lot. The shadow is the star of the show. And then we'll just do a little bit of mascara. See what we think. Well, And that was the probably the darkest colors in the palette. And, you know, we need that. We need to go from darkest to lightest. All right, guys. Tell me what you think. So, yeah. This is my look for this video. So I used my Naked Urban Decay palette. I used some of the ColourPop foundation, some Chantecaille stuff. You can mix this stuff all up. You don't have to have all like super, super nice stuff. It's just, you know, it's what works for you. So let me know what you think of this look. And I'll see you guys soon. I love you guys so, so much. Mwah.